Boeing FA-18E and FA-18F Super Hornet are twin-engine, carrier-capable, multirole fighter aircraft variants based on the McDonnell Douglas F. A-18 Hornet. The Super Hornet entered fleet service with the United States Navy in 1999, replacing the Grumman F-14 Tomcat, which was retired in 2006. The Super Hornet has served alongside the original Hornet. It achieved initial operating capability, IOC, in September 2001 with the U.S. Navy's Strike Fighter Squadron 115, VFA-115, at Naval Air Station Lemoore, California. VFA-115 was also the first unit to take their FA-18 Super Hornets into combat. The Block II Super Hornet incorporates an improved active electronically scanned array, AESA, radar, larger displays, the joint helmet-mounted cueing system, and several other avionics replacements. Avionics and weapons systems that were under development for the prospective production version of the Boeing X-32 were used on the Block II Super Hornet. New build aircraft received the APG-79 AESA radar beginning in 2005. In January 2008, it was announced that 135 earlier production aircraft were to be retrofitted with AESA radars. In 2008, Boeing discussed the development of a Super Hornet Block III with the US and Australian military, featuring additional stealth capabilities and extended range. In 2010, Boeing offered prospective Super Hornet customers the International Roadmap, which included conformal fuel tanks, enhanced engines, an enclosed weapons pod, EWP, a next-generation cockpit, a new missile warning system, and an internal infrared search and track (IRST) system. The EWP has 4 internal stations for munitions. A single aircraft can carry a total of 3 EWPs, housing up to 12 AMRAAMs and 2 sidewinders. The next-generation cockpit features a 19 by 11-inch touch-sensitive display. In 2011, Boeing received a U.S. Navy contract to develop a new mission computer. Boeing and Northrop Grumman self-funded a prototype of the advanced Super Hornet. The prototype features a 50% reduction in frontal radar cross-section, RCS, conformal fuel tanks, CFT, and an enclosed weapons pod. Features could also be integrated onto the EA-18G Growler. Using CFTs on the EA-18G fleet was speculated as useful to releasing underwing space and drag margin for the next-generation jammer. Flight tests of the advanced Super Hornet began on 5 August 2013 and continued for 3 weeks, testing the performance of CFTs, the enclosed weapons pod, EWP, and signature enhancements. Potential operators of Boeing FA-18 Australia, Kuwait, United States.